Welcome back to online classes. Yesterday we finished the reading of the chapter Unit 5 Section B, I am watching Grandpa. So here in this chapter we learned to save the paper, and with saving paper we can save our trees and save our planets. And how can we do that? By storing our documents, storing our things online, using internet, using computers, switching to e-bills, switching to e-magazines and newspapers. So by taking these steps we can save a lot of paper. So let's take a quick summary, look at the quick summary of the chapter. The story is based on the theme to reduce paper wastage, save trees and save forests, cut down our energy usage, limit the water and air pollution. We need to switch to paperless bills, electronic newspapers and magazines, and save documents in e-form. So that's how we can save our trees and thus save our planet. The narrative is about two children who went to spend their weekend with their grandparents. The grandpa and the grandson slept together in one room, but they had a very stressless night due to the continuous sound and light coming from the main road. Later on, he got to know that grandpa is stealing the used paper from the storeroom of a cyber cafe since many months now. He has been doing this to save the environment, and this action of his grandpa left a deep impact on the narrator or the boy. So he himself confessed that never ever any lesson learnt in the school had put such an impact on him as this action, this single action of his grandpa has put. So that's the summary of the chapter. So you need to write down the word meanings given in the book in your notebooks. Now look at the textual question answers. Answer these questions with reference to the context. I was amazed by how much importance he was giving to such a seemingly trivial matter. Who does he refer to? He refers to Grandpa here. What does the speaker refer to as a trivial matter? The author refers to the paper wastage as trivial matter. What was the effect of this trivial matter on the speaker? It did not remain trivial after the author saw the efforts made by his grandpa. It made the author realize how the efforts of every individual matter to make the planet a better place. Like if each one of us start conserving trees, start utilizing less paper, start wasting less paper, then definitely this planet will be changed. We can make this planet into a better planet. Now find these lines in the passage that express the following thoughts. Grandpa was a man of habit. Grandpa and I shared a room, and as was customary, he said his prayers before bed and made me join in. Grandpa was being careful not to wake up the author, lifting his feet up high with each step. He crept forward stealthily to the door, all the while imagining I was fast asleep. Grandpa knew the shabby storehouse well. He took 2 confident steps and turned on the light. At first, the author did not think much of Grandpa's act. I never imagined an adventure with Grandpa. Now, third part is answer these questions. Give 2 reasons why the author had an uneasy and disturbed night. The author, 2 reasons behind author's uneasy and disturbed night were the traffic sounds and the lights from the main road. Also, he was disturbed by the rustling sound made by his grandfather. Why do you think grandfather crept forward stealthily? The grandfather crept forward stealthily because he did not want to wake up his grandson. What did the grandpa want the author to lend him a hand with? The grandpa wanted the author to lend him a hand in piling up a large stack of paper in his bag, which was strewn about towards one corner. How did Grandpa sort the papers he had picked up? The grandpa sorted the papers he had picked up into 3 piles: one side used, both sides used, and the blank papers. How did Grandpa plan to use the sorted papers? Grandpa planned to use the sorted papers in the following ways. He decided to use one side of the paper for his accounts and give some to the poor children at the NGO in the neighborhood, and he would give the used up pile to the hawker. What was the lone endeavor, and what did it make the author realize? The lone endeavor was Grandpa's real, concrete, genuine effort to save the paper and the planet. Now discuss and write. Was the author comfortable with the grandfather unlocking and entering the rented part of the house? Give a reasoned answer and also discuss how he could have done this differently. No, the author was not comfortable with the grandfather unlocking and entering the rented part of the house because he thought that the tenants trusted his grandpa with all their secure teaching material, and here they were robbing them of God knows what. He could have done it differently by asking them not to waste paper. What does the author mean by calling Grandpa's act a real, concrete, genuine effort to save paper and the planet? By saying this, he meant that even in the age of 70, his grandpa was giving so much importance to save paper by reusing them. In what ways does reusing and recycling of paper help save the planet? Recycling of paper helps us to save the energy, water, and landfill space. Paper recycling reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and it is cost-saving resource for making new paper products. Now there are some extra questions also that also you need to write. Do you approve of grandfather's act? No, I do not approve of grandfather's act, entering the tenant's premises at night and removing the papers without their permission, because this act was against tenants' rights. He could have done this by informing them about his concern to save paper and by reusing them. Now, what made the author think that Grandpa was shopping in his sleep? The author thought that Grandpa was shopping in his sleep because he wore a faded t-shirt, located his slippers under the bed, and grabbed a large bag from the foot of the bed. So, that's all in this chapter. I hope you have understood everything. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.